Hi, my name is Mary Mannix, and I'm going to be the instructor for Introduction to Genealogy for Beginning and Experienced Family Historians. What we're going to be covering in this class is really basic methodology, which can be useful for people who are just starting out their genealogy or people who've done it for years upon years upon years. We're going to go in depth about a variety of different sources, such as vital records, the census, looking at church records, looking at published family histories. Again, it would be really useful for people who are just starting their genealogy journey. And if you've been doing genealogy for 5, 10, 15, 20 years, it'll be a good time to step back, to take a good hard look at what you've already done, and to make sure that you've covered the basics. And even if you have covered the basics, it'll also be a really good way to start troubleshooting those holes that you have, those brick walls that you have. So hopefully it'll be, well, not hopefully, it will be useful for genealogists and family historians at all levels. Look forward to spending time with many of you, and there's a good time to begin your genealogy. It's never too late and it's never too early. Thank you.